Welcome to workout number 3, which is using loop style resistance bands from home to do a full body workout. Let's jump right into the workout program. Starting off, I want you to pick a pretty heavy band for this one as it's going under our feet and we're going to be doing band deadlifts. Now for this one, it may end up more like a Romanian deadlift as you might not go all the way to the ground. I don't want you removing all tension from the band, but it is still really a deadlift, keeping a lot of tension in the glutes and hamstrings, and then doing a hip hinge to try and stand tall. The harder the band is, the more this is really going to pull down on you as you get higher into the exercise. So see what you can do, but your goal here is to do 5 total sets of 12 reps with 2 minutes or 120 seconds between each set. Next up, we're going to be getting into standing position and putting the band over our back to do standing chest presses. This is a more athletic style stance and something you might actually have to do in real life, and that's why I added it here. So again, with a band over your back, you can either stand or you can even put it up against a wall to keep it in place. And if you are afraid it's going to come up over your head, but you can just stand in place and they're going to press away from you in that position. You might find this a little awkward at first as you need to stabilize your upper body and push against yourself, but once you do it correctly, it really starts to target the chest very well. And your goal here is to hit 4 sets of 15 reps with 90 seconds of rest in between each set. All right, now going back down to the floor, we're focusing on the back and doing seated rows. For this exercise, we are going to be going down to the floor and putting our legs straight out in front of us. So I like to actually anchor the band against a wall in order to keep it in place so it doesn't slap me in the face, but put that band over your feet, sit up tall in position, and then you're going to be focusing your back on contracting and pulling the band towards your body, then slowly going back to the starting position. Feel free to challenge yourself here, but I want you to make sure that you are still keeping your back up and straight, shoulders down, and again, really focusing on contracting the back through each rep. And for this, we are going to be doing 4 sets of 15 reps with 90 seconds of rest between each set. For exercise number 4, we are going to be standing up tall again, and this time we are going to be doing single arm overhead tricep extensions. So starting with your weak arm, put the band looped under your foot and then your elbow up by your ear. And again, you're going to be extending your palm up towards the ceiling while keeping your elbow in place and focusing on the tricep doing all of the pushing. I also like to take my opposite hand and put it up by my elbows for some tactile feel to make sure I'm really keeping that elbow still and in place. So feel free to do this as well. And for this one, you're going to be doing 3 sets of 20 reps per side and then taking 60 seconds of rest between each set. But again, only if you need it. Feel free to just switch back and forth as one side is resting while the other is working. For exercise number 5, feel free to keep in standing position as we are doing 1-arm bicep curls. This time I'm really focusing on one side at a time, so feel free to increase the resistance here and challenge yourself. But again, we are going to be starting the weak side, doing as many reps as we can, and then moving to the strong side to match it and remove any possible muscle imbalances. And for this one, we are focusing on hitting 3 sets of 20 reps per side with 60 seconds of rest between each set if you need it. Now we are on to the final exercise of the workout, and this time we are focusing on the back delts, and we're going to be doing pull-aparts. So in standing position, put the band straight out in front of you, right in front of your chest, with your arms fully extended, about shoulder width apart. From there, pretend like you are ripping something apart by pulling your hands straight out away from one another and keeping the arms as straight as possible. The target here is those back delts, so you want to be focusing on that doing most of the work. Don't go too heavy here as it might be impossible if you do, so pick the right band and get the best results. And that is it. That is all 6 exercises for this workout. Again, I was using the UnderSun resistance bands with their gloves in order to demonstrate each exercise in this workout program. If you did like this home workout program, please like and subscribe to GamerBody for more videos just like this one. Also, head over to GamerBody.com. There you can check out my current home workout program, the equipment I currently own and use, and the information I'm learning from to build muscle and confidence, all from the comfort of home. And that's it. So again, please like and subscribe. I will see you all in the next video. Be fit and game on.